Hi friends, Najee here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very small video. So the agenda of this video is we'll be discussing on different shape of a node. Okay, so basically there are two, we can categorize into like two different shape. One is the circle shape and the other one is the square shape. Okay, the square means it may be, I'm considering like square and rectangular all can be considered as square, and the oval shape and the circle shape can be considered as a circle. Okay, so let's start adding some nodes. So let me add a trigger manually, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a agent. So if you look on this a agent, let me delete this. Okay. So if we look on this a agent, its shape is kind of a square, right? Or we can say it's a square. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a agent as a tool. Okay. So if you look on this tool, we can see that it's a kind of a oval shape or it's kind of a round shape, right? Or it's a kind of a circle shape, we can say. Okay. So now let me go and add a Gmail tool here, so that will give a clear picture. See, so when we add a Gmail tool, it's in a circle shape. Now I will show you this can be, let me add a another trigger. Okay, let me add a manual trigger. Let me hide the chat. Where is the manual trigger? Okay, so here I'm going to add a Gmail. Get many messages. Let's add this. See, so if we add a Gmail in a main workflow, we can see it as a square. So the main thumb rule is whenever if we add something in the main workflow, it will be in a square shape, and if we add something in a tool or sub workflow, it is in a kind of a round shape or circle shape, or it is in a oval shape. Okay, so that is this is the major difference between these two shapes. Okay, so this is very important to understand when we see like a big architecture workflow diagram, then it is very easy to identify based on this shape. Okay, so that is all about in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.